Hi guys, welcome to My Auto Problems. In today's video, we're talking about how to test a car battery using professional tools. We'll cover how to properly connect the tester, what readings to look for, and how to know if your battery is still good or needs replacement. So stay tuned and let's get started. This is the battery. Some batteries have a charge indicator, but keep in mind, it's not always accurate. What we really need to do is check the battery details like the cold cranking amps, CCA, and other specs, and note them down before we start the test. Here are the specs for this battery. 12 volts, 55 amp hour, 500 cold cranking amps, CCA. We'll use these numbers when setting up our tester to make sure we get accurate results. This is our smart tester. We hook the red lead to the positive terminal of the battery and the black lead to the negative terminal. This video is going to be a bit technical, so make sure to watch till the end. After a successful connection, the device powers on and we're ready to start the testing process. For me, I'm using this scanner, but there are also mobile apps that connect directly to the smart tester. Now, we select the numbers we noted from the battery earlier and input them into the tool, like the CCA rating and the battery type, to make sure the test is accurate. Before starting the test, make sure to turn off the ignition switch and follow these conditions. Turn off all accessories like lights, radio, and AC. Make sure the ignition switch is off, and close all the doors to avoid any unnecessary power draw. Now the battery is being tested, and the results will be displayed. You'll see readings like SOH, state of health, SOC, state of charge, capacity, and temperature. All the values look good in this case, which means the battery is in healthy condition. This tester also checks the starter system by measuring the voltage drop and the time it takes to start the engine. First, keep the ignition on. Then, when the tool asks, start the vehicle, and the tester will show the results. Our starter is perfect. Now let's have a look at our generator, alternator. Follow the conditions given by the tool. First, turn off all appliances. Then, accelerate the engine between 2,000 to 3,000 RPM. After that, turn on the AC, lights, and other accessories, and accelerate again to check the alternator's performance. Keep watching the video to see all the steps and the final result. I hope you enjoyed the video. If it helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.